Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited for another video today because I get to try out some new makeup, and like honestly I have been lacking in this department. I haven't upgraded my makeup stash in a minute, and I was blessed with the opportunity to go and get some more makeup, and like I'm so excited, you know, like honestly I don't even know what to say because I'm excited. And I just for me, I love doing makeup, but I kind of realized that I just lost a passion for doing makeup, and I'm, you know, getting myself into doing makeup. And because I lost my passion for doing makeup, you know, I just haven't bought makeup in a long time, and that's all honesty. And you know, the funds wasn't even there to, you know, I was putting my money towards other things, so I didn't necessarily have, you know, money to go and buy new makeup and spend it and splurge. But like, you know, I have been blessed with the opportunity, and God was like, go and invest in yourself and get some new makeup. So I went ham. Well, I didn't go ham, but I went to get new makeup, and yeah, I'm just pretty much doing a video on all my new makeup. So I'm just gonna jump into it, and I'll probably chat to you guys as we go along. But yeah, I'm gonna start with my eyes. I've already done my eyebrows just to speed up the process, and because I didn't get a new eyebrow pencil. But I got this new Huda Beauty. I shouldn't say new. Okay, I'm not gonna say new, but these products are new to me. But I got this Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and I'm going to try and do something a little bit different. I'm always, you know, keeping it safe. It's probably gonna be safe because it's a warm color. But anyways, I'm just gonna try, you know, go a little bit bolder than what I usually do. I've already put some concealer on my lid, and actually I'm just gonna set it. I'm just gonna take this NYX palette, and I'm just gonna set that concealer in place. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this kind of like orangey color, and I'm gonna use this as my transition color. Ooh, I'm gonna use the mirror on this. Look, fresh palette. Alright, so I'm just going to use this as my transition. An orange, it's kind of like an orange. I've been longing for a shade like this. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with this deeper reddish color, and I'm going to put that in under. Ooh, telling you, man. I'm just gonna blend that bit. I think I went a bit too crazy on this eye. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with this deeper shade right here. I'm just so excited. It's something about when you get new makeup, and for me that light makeup, I'm telling you, it's just been, I went to Sephora and I was like, oh my goodness, I am buying makeup. Like, man. See, I have not had colors like this in a minute. I've just been playing it safe. So this palette is giving some life into my collection. You know, just a little bit of warm colors. Alright, then lastly I'm going in with this deeper shade here. I'm just doing whatever. I don't even know what I'm doing. We just playing with it, yeah? And I'm gonna put this here, deepen up that crease a bit. Ooh. Yes, for the color, girl. Yes. Ooh. See, we're getting into something different than just neutral. It is pretty much neutral, but alright, so next I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. Alright, and then I'm going to cut my crease. I'm using my LA Pro concealer. Alright, and then I'm just going to blend the edges of my cut crease. Alright, so I just want to darken the outside, so I'm going to take this brown again and I'm just going to put it on the outer portion just to darken it up a little bit. And then I'm going to take the one shimmer. You see, I like a palette that is all about the matte. So I'm going to take this one shimmer and I'm going to put that on my lid. And oh, we're going to try something new. Honestly guys, I have not had this product in a minute. This video is pretty much all for me. I don't know, I'm just filming it because I'm just excited. But some of these products that I've had them in my collection, but I just haven't bought products. Honestly, that's what I mean. I've just been rolling and using the same makeup over and over and over and over and over again. So I just got new products, like I said. So yeah, I'm using this MAC. Everybody knows this Fix Plus spray, but I got it in the color Rose. So I'm just gonna spray it on my brush. It's been a long time, baby, and I'm just going to apply the shimmer on my lid. Oh, yes, for the pigmentation, baby. Oh yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. That is poppin'. Boom! Yes! Just gotta give myself sound effects to hype myself up, you know? Gotta be your own hype man. Alright, so next I'm gonna go ahead and line my lash line, and I'm gonna use Maybelline liner. And just gonna wing it out. Alright, so I just applied some lashes because my lashes are fairly new, but I did a video, go check that out, where my husband rates my eyelashes. I'm wearing one of those lashes. I'll put it in the description box below. Anyway, but onto my foundation. I am going to first off prime my face, and I'm using my same Fenty primer. I'm just gonna put that all over my face. And then for my foundation, so my last video I did a NARS Radiant foundation and I bought it online. So shout out to one of my subscribers. She recommended another color for me, and this is caracas. So I got this color and I think this one matches much better than Macau. So this is a new product for me, since it's the first time I'm going to put it all over my face. I tried it in Sephora and it's a much better match. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face. See, look at that. Oh yes. Yeah, shout outs to you, the girl. I don't know your name, but you recommended it. Look at this, look at that, much better. Oh yes, girl, you should be proud of yourself. Oh my gosh, yes. You guys, I have been longing for a foundation. My other videos, like I wanted to cry because I was like, no, it's not matching. All this money. But here, oh yes. Man, the joys in life. The joys in life, yeah? So to highlight, I'm going in with my LA Pro concealer in Fawn. Nothing new. So I just added a little bit of a lighter concealer just because I feel like it wasn't brightening my eyes as much. So that's what I'm just blending out here. Alright, and then contour, I'm using my Fenty stick. The postman just came to my house. He was he was staring at me like, and I think it's because I had these 2 lines on my nose. He's just like, oh gosh, awkward. Right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set my concealer, and I'm using my Sacha buttercup. Alright, so quickly, making a mess. So to finish off my eyes, I'm going in with, I'm gonna go in with that same red with a pencil brush, and I'm just gonna swipe that. I'm gonna add some mascara. Alright, so I'm just gonna dust off this excess powder. And then I've just been using the same powder right now to set my whole face, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. And then spray up. Oh, kind of cold, but oh, smells so good. That smells good. Yes. All right, and then I'm gonna just let that dry. All right, for blush, I'm going in with Raisin. Actually, I lied. I'm going in with Fever from MAC. Then I'm gonna highlight using my Anastasia, and I'm using the color bronze, and I'm gonna mix it with Moonstone. And then lastly for my lips, I'm just going in with this not even drugstore, it's a brown pencil from the beauty supply store. And then I'm taking London by NYX. And then I'm gonna top that off with Fenty gloss. My favorite gloss. That is it, guys. So yeah, there we go. So yeah, that was just a simple makeup tutorial, just using new products that I got, some new products, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe. So yeah, stay tuned for another video, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.